All right, folks, buckle up. We're diving straight into a tense courtroom moment. Meet Janetta Pugh, definitely not your typical defendant. The confusion starts instantly, and you can see it unfold in real time as the judge struggles to piece together what's actually going on.
Good morning. Are you Janetta Pugh?
I am the beneficiary of that estate.
You're the what?
I'm the beneficiary of that estate.
You're the beneficiary of what estate? Answer my questions, please, ma'am. I'm just trying to understand.
Beneficiary of that estate.
Okay. What's the announcement?
This is a big moment. The judge is zeroing in on representation, and in criminal court, who represents you can make or break everything. But here's the twist. Janetta's family claims they hired a lawyer, yet no one's heard a word from him. That's red flag number one.
It's my understanding that Ms. Pugh and her family has retained an attorney on this matter. I don't know if you remember, just when I was originally appointed on, and we were on the trial docket. She hired a new attorney at that point, Mr. Norwood, who was on the case for a while and then withdrew. And once recently, when the case came back to me, I visited her and I was told that they did retain another attorney. I was given the name of Christopher Wiley this morning, but I have not heard from him. And my understanding is that at this point still hasn't filed anything with the court.
Okay.
But I've been told that that's who's supposed to be taking over the case.
Okay.
For the record, I recognize Ms. Pugh. She's been here before.
I do as well, for the record.
And I would
Hold up. The court can't even locate the attorney. That's like stepping into a boxing match and realizing your coach isn't even real. Now the tension starts to build because without an attorney officially on record, Janetta's stuck in legal limbo.
into Mr. Christopher Wiley. I can't find that person as a practicing lawyer in the state bar page, and I have not been contacted by anybody on Ms. Pugh's behalf.
All right. So, Ms. Pugh, Mr. Lewis has been appointed to represent you at this point. Obviously, you know as well as anyone that you're in custody and we want to get your case taken care of. If you've hired or your family has hired another lawyer, then they have to contact the court so that we can do something with your case. And do you know if they've hired someone?
Respectfully, Your Honor, I do not agree.
Okay, now things take a turn. Janetta starts leaning into what sounds like a sovereign citizen style argument, calling court-appointed attorneys foreign agents and claiming a conflict of interest. But here's the reality. Court-appointed attorneys represent the defendant, not the state. The judge knows it, and you can see her patience starting to wear thin.
With your appointed foreign agents, considering that the first duty is to the state and will be considered conflict of interest.
Okay, so if you don't want, the only thing I can do, I'm appointing an attorney to you to help you, right? So if you don't want a court-appointed attorney, then your only option, two things. One is to represent yourself or to hire a lawyer. So if you don't like the way it works, then you do something different. So are you, listen to what I'm saying. Are you either going to represent yourself, or are you going to let Mr. Lewis represent you, or are you going to hire someone?
Objection, Your Honor. Respectfully, is this a court of record?
It is a court of record. So your objection's overruled.
Okay. Respectfully, Your Honor, where is the verified claim that is being placed against my trust?
It's right here. It's called an indictment.
And here comes the legal hammer. Janetta asks for a verified claim against her trust, and the judge fires back with straight law school clarity. It's called an indictment. Translation, this isn't a civil trust dispute. It's a criminal charge, a textbook moment where legal reality slams into legal fantasy.
And Mr. Lewis has a copy of it, and he can show it to you. So that would be the verified claim against you.
Okay. Your Honor, respectfully, Your Honor, there were writs that was filed to the case that still haven't been received.
I've received your petition for writ of habeas corpus, and it's denied.
Okay. Respectfully, Your Honor, I demand to be released due to lack of evidence of stated claim and not being given the proper opportunity to obtain proper counsel, effective defense.
It's overruled.
Okay.
You're running out, aren't you?
No, it's fine.
So here's the thing, Miss Pugh. I appreciate your position, but listen,
Respectfully, Your Honor,
Miss Pugh, don't
with my
speak over me.
incarceration, respectfully, Your Honor, with my
Oh, this is the breaking point. You can feel the tension spike as the judge takes back control of the courtroom. Quick reality check, saying respectfully before interrupting a judge isn't actually respectful. It's like saying no offense right before offending someone. At this stage, the judge lays it out clearly. Get a real lawyer, represent yourself, or be ready to face the consequences.
incarceration.
Miss Pugh, just because you say respectfully does not mean that you get to interrupt me. That's disrespectful, right? Hang on. Listen to me. Everything you have there is overruled. And here's one of the reasons why. Is because you have a lawyer. And your lawyer will file the appropriate motion. You're interrupting me again, which is disrespectful. So I'm going to leave Mr. Lewis as your attorney unless you choose to represent yourself or hire someone else. I'm going to give you 2 weeks to determine what you're going to do. You can go back. You can go back with the bailiff.
I do not agree or comply to your appointed
Go back.
agents.
You already said that, and that's overruled.
Is to the state.
Go back with the bailiff. Get your own attorney or represent yourself if you don't like it.